When making a throwing star, the materials used are 2 pieces of regular computer paper, scissors, and Scotch tape. By watching this video, it can walk you through the steps of creating your very own throwing star. First, you're going to want to start with the first piece of paper. What you're going to do is you're going to take the top right-hand corner and fold it down evenly, which leaves you with a triangle and a square. After you have your triangle and your square, you're going to want to take your scissors and cut off the rectangle portion or the square portion of the piece of paper. Once you're done with the first piece of paper, you're going to want to repeat the same steps for the second piece of paper. After cutting both pieces of paper, you are left with 2 triangles. You are then going to want to open up both triangles. Shortly after, you will take the triangles and fold it in half. Once the first paper is folded in half, you will then fold the second paper in half. As you can see, after you folded the second paper in half, you will then go and fold it once more. After folding both ends in, you are then going to want to complete the fold by folding the one end on top of the other. After completing that step, you are then going to want to repeat the same process on the second piece of paper. After you're done folding, you're then going to want to take one of the pieces of paper and fold it in half once more. Shortly after completing this step, you're then going to want to take the second piece of paper and repeat the same process. After that's done, you're going to want to take your paper and fold it by the crease. After that, you're going to want to take the end of that same paper and fold it once more as the video is shown. You will then go to the second piece of paper and repeat the same process. After that step, you are left with two identical pieces of paper. You would then fold the tops of the paper in half, as the video is showing. After the two ends are folded, you would then repeat the process on the other paper. Once that is done, you are left with two identical pieces of paper. Now this part is the tricky part. You're going to want to take one side of the piece of paper and morph it into the middle, creating a throwing star looking object. The end goal would be to tuck the little ends into the middle, which creates a seamless look. After messing around with the throwing star, you can then apply tape to the middle to make sure it is secure. Once the tape is applied, you can now officially use the throwing star.